Hello, my name is Carolina Betancourt, and in this opportunity I'm going to talk about the Michigan English Test. That is one of the exams accepted in Colombia if you need to certificate your English level. Okay, what is the purpose of the exam? The purpose of the exam is to evaluate the general English language proficiency in social, academic, and workplace contexts. It can be used for educational purpose, such as when finishing an English language course or seeking to meet English language graduation requirements at universities outside North America. It can also be used for employment purposes, such as applying for a job or a promotion that requires an English language qualification. What kind of people can take this exam? People who are looking to obtain a certification of the level of English. It is typically used to demonstrate certified English language proficiency to university employees and at scholarships agencies in the country. What is the main goal of the exam? This test focuses on the ability to communicate effectively in English and determines the level of comprehension, reading comprehension, and production. That includes reading and speaking. What are the most significant characteristics of the exam? It is a modular test, meaning that the test taker can choose to take one or more of the three modules of the test: listening, reading, and speaking and writing. What skills are evaluated through the exam and how are they evaluated? In section 1, it's listening. There is 15 questions assessing the ability to understand conversations and talk in social, education, and workplace contexts. In section 2, reading and grammar, 20 questions testing a variety of grammar structures, 30 reading questions assessing the ability to understand a variety of text in social, education, and workplace contexts. The MET speaking test measures an individual's ability to produce comprehension speaks in response to a range of tasks and topics. There are 5 different tasks. In task 1, the test taker describes a picture. In task 2, the test taker talks about personal experience and a topic related to what is seen in the picture. In the task 3, the test taker gives a personal opinion about a topic related to the picture. In the task 4, the test taker is presented with a situation and will have to explain some advantage and disadvantage related to that situation. In task 5, the test taker is asked to give an opinion on a new topic and to try to convince the examiner to agree with the idea. In the mid-reading test, designing is to evaluate the ability to write in English, and that consists in 2 different tasks. One is to present with 3 questions on a related theme, and the task 2 is to write an essay. What scale is used to get the results? The MET does not have a pass code. Your scale score is calculated using an advanced mathematical model based on item response theory. The scale scores are not percentages. They do not show how many items you answer correctly, but rather where you stand on the language ability scale. This ensures that test scores are comparable across different administrations and fair to all the test takers, regardless of when they took the test. Each person who takes the MET receives a Michigan Language Assessment Score Report. The score report includes test taker details on the scale score for each section of the test, ranging from 0 to 18. A score report includes a final score, which is the average of all sections of the test taken by the candidate. Will you take the exam in the future? Yes, I will take it, because this test focuses on the ability to communicate effectively in English and determines the language of listening comprehension and reading comprehension, which includes grammar and vocabulary, and meets the requirements to standardize the credits of the university in relation to the course of English. So it will help me to finish my course. Thank you.